you cannot cross it. Basically, they tell that you cannot cross the river. You have to use the bridge there or something like that, but cannot cross with a stone like that. So now we are at the Chet Sao Noi Waterfall. You can see from the side over there as well. Basically, we're gonna go to the information first for the service over there. For the, you can see the size over there already. For Thai national, just only like 20 baht. But if the foreign tourist is only you adult, we pay 100 baht. Children 50 baht. And for the elderly people over 60 years old is free of charge. So we have to go to the first counter there. สวัสดีค่ะต่างชาติ1คนไทย1คนค่ะ120 บาทจ้ะไม่นับต่างชาติ60ปีขึ้นไปไม่ขึ้นราคา No it's not ยกเว้นเฉพาะคนไทยโอเคค่ะ For the over 60 years old it's just only for Thai citizen only foreigners is not count ขอบคุณค่ะขอบคุณค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ Okay no basically มันมีอะไรให้เราดูเป็นแมปหรืออะไรไหมไม่มีนะด้านล่างจะมีแผนผังตั้งอยู่ด้านล่าง Okay so it just asks about the map that maybe we can walk around there so they say that over there down there they will show the map ขอบคุณนะคะถ่ายได้ใช่ไหมคะโอเคค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ so now we pass like a small souvenir here and a little coffee shop อ๋อถ่ายรูปอ๋อเราไม่ทำพวกนี้อยู่แล้วค่ะขอบคุณค่ะโอเค basically อันนี้ถ่ายโปรโมทนะคะ basically in case like that they will have a small table there sitting over there to tell you and take a photo because when you go out they will sell you the picture not too bad but if you come here like in a very hot season better take a bottle of water put on the hat and wear something that is more comfy like short sleeve and short pants and then you can come and even you can swim here but you have to notice the sign as well that they are prohibited or not to swim here. So basically Chet Sao Noi Waterfall is a national park and basically is on the Muok Lake River. I will tell you a very short story why they name it Chet Sao Noi Waterfall. The thing is, they have like a story about the 7 little sisters, and they are drowned. They were drowned in one pond. So that's why they have a story like or called it Chet Sao Noi Waterfall here. And Chet Sao Noi also refer about the 7 tier of the like of the waterfall is like a 7 tier. So and the tall of each tier is not more than 4 meters and normally it's quite wider. So basically here you can see the sign. This is a first tier and you can make like an activity for rowing kayak boat. And around here you can see the signs to tell you where it is. So I will pass, let them pass first. So now we are at the map to explain a little bit. Unfortunately, it has all in Thai. So basically they will tell you like the spot here when you see normally it's like you are here. And you can see the sign here is like a kind of if you won't have something problem, you can contact the staff here or the like a kind of people who look after here over there. And when you have question, you can ask as well. And this one is a kind of like sign that you can check and you can know what to do. Basically, it's like for this side, it's like 50 meters from here. You go to the first tier of the waterfall. But for the tier second up to 7. You have to go that direction to 700 meters And at this direction, you also will find another waterfall called Silipop waterfall in 1,000 meters. It means like 1 kilometer from here. And from this way, you go to the first tier first for like 50 meters, and you can see with the go to the bridge as well in 100 meters. So now basically for the first tier, you can go for like a kayak boat here, and you have to always seeing the sign here because they told already that for the first tier it's danger and do not swim. Okay, and don't cross to the waterfall. So we are still on the first tier, and over there you can see the marking that is called 7 Little Sister name. And if you have any question, just normally they should have the staff here. And this is a sign for the first tier. For the first tier, it's called Gan Leung. Gan Leung is named for the tree itself, for like a Nucia orientalis. That is like a kind of Latin name. So it's a kind like a tree, and the tall of the tree is allowed 10 to 20 meters. And they will spread out with the branches, and basically on the top is like a kind of a bush there, and they always have sometimes when they have flower, the flower will have like a light flower there, and it's come like a bouquet. It's very, very beautiful. So, and they also tell you a little bit of this tree is can help and so basically I still talk about the tree here. So the trees you can use the tree trunk itself and then boil it, and can use it like a kind of dye color. So this is a way that you can learn more about the tree here as well, all the benefits. So now we finish with the first tier, the explanation a little bit, and then this one, when you see the sign that you can swim, they always say that no jumping, okay, and not cross to over the river, because sometimes it's more dangerous and they don't want you to feel like or in any lakes. Okay, now we can go up more, and then we can start. So basically here there is information, and they still close it now, but it's a little bit of the things that you can buy, like water and soup cup or something like that, like a small kiosk that you can buy and enjoy yourself, because they have a lot of benches or seating area that you can sit and enjoy it. So like I said to you, for the first tier, it's just only for this side, and you will see the bridge over there. So I will show you the side here, the kayak boat that the people also over there. And you also can rent the tire and have a life vest as well over there as well, in case that you want to go into the river. And this one is a Muok Lake River. And this is the first aid, and when you would like to have any question or ask anything, you can ask it from there. And always it's important, if you feel like you feel sick or something like emergency, you can call that at least to number 1669. They will send the rescue to help you out. So, and this one is a kayak boat that you can rent. Is cost you per hour is 100 baht. And you can see that they also have some people rowing the boat there. Okay, and this is the bridge that we ever talk about it in early of the video. So, and this is the first tier. So we have to go back to that side again, that direction, because it's from the 2nd to 7th. Basically here you will not get lost because they are quite good in a map, and also see the sign that like a universal sign that at least you can understand. So if you live in Bangkok, you can see the sign over there as well to show you is around 157 kilometers from Bangkok. This is a way that is nice in nature with a waterfall that you can enjoy and get away or escape from Bangkok. So it's 157 kilometers. And don't feed to the animal here. They have the sign here as well. So now we come to the sign for the second waterfall in 50 meters from here. Now we can start. And they say already, danger, do not walk across the waterfall. They even tell you about the pH level here as well. That it's safe to swim in the river or in the waterfall. And basically most of the tree here that you have seen is called banyan tree. You can see that they have like a twig or branches or like a lean over to the waterfall as well, and don't climb over it or don't step all over it. And you can see the color of the waterfall here is that's the way that they say it looks like a more emerald pond. You can see like a kind of green one here. So this one is and they also have the sign again that don't go under there or don't swim in this area. Now we come to the second. Now we come to the second tier of the waterfall called Jampi Sirinthorn. That way. And if we walk in next 200 meters, we will find the third tier. And like I said to you before, each tier will not like very high. The highest one is just 4 meters height. But mostly for the waterfall, the Sao Noi Waterfall here is more wider, like a stream and like more like a landscape here. And when you feel like tired, you can sit and relax as well to the bench around here. So for the first two tiers, basically, they don't allow you to go swimming. But this one, they allow you to go swimming, but no jumping. for the third tier. And this one is a conservation national park, so they have some sign to show you no smoking as well. So now you can see more scenery here. The color look emerald. So we're gonna come to the fourth tier, which they don't allow you to swim again. You have to notice about the sign, because even you try to do it, but for your own safety and you don't put yourself at risk, then just respect the place as well. So now it's like the third tier called Lampu Pa. The name of the tier refer to the tree that they plant around here as well. And if you notice and you enjoy the way to go down here, like the steep there like that, you can see the sign here as well that no swimming in this area. And they put the sign for the name of the tree as well, for each tree that you can notice as well here. I think, in my opinion, if anyone loves trees and like a botanical garden, nature, and to learn about like many kind of trees, better come here as well, because they have a sign that to tell you more about the trees and the animals who live around here as well. So in each spot they will have some like life vest and also the tire in case that anyone drown, because when you see like that, sometimes it's very deep. And now you can enjoy relaxing a little bit when you follow my video. So now we are on the fourth tier already. The fifth to seventh, it just goes straight down there. And น้ำตกเจ็ดสาวน้อย or เจ็ดสาวน้อย waterfall is like located in the middle between สระบุรี and นครราชสีมา So now we are on the fourth tier. It's called Yang Na. Because today is Friday, it's not on the weekend yet, so that's why maybe they just don't want many visitor or tourists here, but mostly maybe on the weekend will be quite very crowded, especially in the hot season. So this area you can swim, but no jumping. And in front of me now, it show you the small little wooden bridge. And they say already that would not cross more than 10 people each time. Thank you for watching for my videos, and if you like it or you have any opinion or any question, please don't forget to leave the comment or press like to give me a support, or even subscribe for me as well. And in case that you're interested, please look for my other videos. Thank you very much and see you for the next time. Bye bye.